Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 142 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سيقول السفهاء من الناس ما ولاهم عن قبلتهم التي كانوا عليها. Seen is short, seen is light, and for fatha, open your jaws. Yeah is a soft letter. You are lifting the middle part of your tongue towards your palate, but you are not touching it. That is making it a very soft. Yeah, just like the people who cannot speak, they cannot press their tongue on a certain places to press, so they cannot press. That's why they say yeah. So this is the sound. Yeah, this is the sound of yeah. Sa yeah. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is short. Sa yeah. Qu is 2 counts long. Qu is 2 counts long, and this is heavy too. This is 2 counts long. Sayaqulus. For dhamma, circle your lips, attached with seen, and seen will get, seen is light, seen has rakhawa, and seen has safir. There should be a whistle sound in it, and the sound should flow very well. Lusu. For dhamma, circle your lips. Fa. For fa, always whenever you look at the fa, you give it hums, and hums is a flow of breath. You will press your teeth on the lower lip and put a pressure of breath from behind. So th, ha is 4 counts long, because this is mad muttasil wajib. This is in one word. The hamza and mad letter is in one word, so this is muttasil mad al muttasil al wajib. That it's mandatory to do it. And u is the another letter, so you will not merge ha into u. Ha is separate. You are saying it from your vacuum of your mouth, that is jawf, and you're using halq, throat, for hamza. So alif and hamza are two different things, so don't merge it in, but give it them a separate sound very clearly. Ha u me. For kasra, give e sound. Noon is attached with noon. There is gunna, and this gunna is a longer gunna akmal gunna. So you are giving longer period of time here. Minan, this is gunna, and na, 2 counts long. C, seen is very short. For kasra, give e sound, and C has a whistle. Ma, 2 counts long. Wal, wow is attached with lam, and for the fatha is very short. No, fatha is 2 counts long here, because we find this standing fatha, and this standing fatha is actually a alif. It's alif. If you wanted to write it in another way, you can write it like this. La. Yeah, this is, so which combination is this? Yeah, this is alif. Before alif, you find fatha. This is a long vowel. You will make it 2 counts long. Walla lahum. For dhamma, circle your lips. For mim, give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flowing sound. Lin Umar, the letters, whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifaf. Tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop meme abruptly, neither you will give a very long flow of sound, but it has a medium flow of sound. This sound is tawassut. Ain from your throat, and there is ikhfa. And this is heavy ikhfa. Why? Because qaf is among heavy letters. So there should be a heavy ikhfa. You will lift your root of your tongue towards your palate to make this ikhfa heavy, and the makhraj will be completely blocked because qaf is a heavy letter. Ang, ang, طيب. For qasra, give E sound. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and Kutubujatin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Uh, you will stop, you will block the makhraj very strongly, because all the qalqala letters are ashadda huruf. So you will cut off the sound with your makhraj, but you will apart it to make a qalqala. And this is what qalqala is. The qalqala is the ba'ud, when you are aparting your makharij. So طيبة, طيبة, la is short. T for kasra give E sound. He for kasra give E sound. T, he. طيب, both are short. طيبة, la, T, he. Mul for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Mul, la, short. T, this is 2 counts long, because we have 3. What we have 3? We have 3 hurufe mad, naturally long vowels. This is alif, which has fatha before it, waw, which has dhamma before it, and ya, which has kasra before it. So these are the 3 long vowels in total, which will be 2 counts long vowels. Okay. T. So this combination is the third combination. Yes, ya, which has kasra before it. T. Ka is 2 counts long, because it matches the first combination. Alif sakina, and there is fatha before it. Ka, nu is 2 counts long too, because this matches the second combination, and that is waw sakina, and before waw sakina there is dhamma. Kanu, ain from your throat, the sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Lay, 2 counts long. Why? Because this is harf lean, and you have to make it very soft. Open your jaws for fatha, give a longer period of time over here, and then attach with ya softly. Lay, ha is 2 counts long, because this matches the first combination. Alif sakina, before alif sakina there is fatha. Alayha, qul. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lam, and there is kasra on lam, so lafz jalala will be light after that. Ulil, for kasra, give E sound. There should be E sound always in kasra, even if it is being attached with the letter after it. So be very careful. For every kasra, give E, clear E sound. Ulil. Listen how I'm saying it. Lil. I'm saying it lil. I'm not saying it lil. It's not lil. It's lil. Qul lil la la. Lafz jalal is always long, 2 counts long. So la. So, and this is light because you find kasra before it. Qul lillahil. Again, for kasra, what I'm saying, heal, heal, heal. This he sound should be, for kasra, e sound should be there. Heal, mash. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of raqawa, and the fashi, the sound should spread. Mashdi, for ra is light. Whenever ra is for with kasra, it is always light, and raw, light raw sounds like ri. Mashri, Qaf is heavy. For Dhamma, circle your lips. And the sound is short. U. Well, for Waw, circle your lips. The makhraj of Waw is circling your lips. Just circle your lips and your Waw will be pronounced very well. For Fatha, open your jaws, attach with Lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. A tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lin Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with Sakoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. And the abbreviation of tawassut is T. So we always write T whenever there is a tawassut. Well, this sound is tawassut. Well, maw. Ghain is heavy. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. Maghri, ra is light, and when we will stop, we will get sukoon on ba, and this is among letter of Qutubu Jaddin. Qutubu Jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. So we will give sifa of qalqala when we are stopping over here. Wal maghrib. Yeah, for yeah, yeah is a soft letter. You are lifting your middle of your tongue up towards your middle palate, but it is not touching it. And and it is attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and should be from your throat, the lower part of your throat. Ha. Yeah, the is 2 counts long because this matches the last third combination, ya sakina, and there is kasra before it. The main, this is idgham with gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose. May, yeah, is short. Sha, 4 counts long. This is mad muttasil wajib. Sha'u, for dhamma, circle your lips. Don't merge hamza with alif. These are two different things. Alif is pronounced from your jawf, vacuum of your mouth and your throat, and hamza is being pronounced from the last part of your halq, your throat. So these two things are very much different. So it has to be said very much clearly and separately. Yasha, u, e. Hamza is from your throat. The sound is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound. E, la is 2 counts long because it matches the first combination. How? It doesn't seem like this because this standing fatha is a complete alif, complete big alif. So you will treat it like a alif. So this will match this first combination that has alif sakina, and before alif there is fatha. Ila, sli, saw this heavy. For kasra, give e sound, sli. Ra is 2 counts long, and this is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma, with pesh, or with zabar, with ra with fatha or dhamma has, it is always heavy. So we are making it heavy. Sira, tim, qa is heavy. Then there is idgham with gunna. You are merging the sound of the tanween into meme. So, and keeping sound in your nose. So this is idgham with gunna. Tim, mus, for dhamma, circle your lips. And as soon as you will touch seen, you will keep your lips straight. Musta, that is short, and that is a very sharp sound. Qim. This will be 4 counts long because this is mad arid li sukoon. You're giving temporary sukoon on meme because of this stop sign. Before temporary sukoon, you find 2 counts long vowel. This is ya sakina, and before ya sakina, you find kasra. This is actually 2 counts long vowel. But this temporary sukoon will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts because this is the rule. So this is what called mad arid lis sukoon. So you are making this qi 4 counts long. Mustaqim. سبحانك اللهم okay, wait, I'll recite it for you first. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قل لله المشرق والمغرب يهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.